So how the string compare function is going to be happen? Right here, the first main thing here is that string 1 and string 2. That means two strings that we have. Okay, so string 1 is having one content and string 2 is having another content. Right. So how these two strings, that means the content of the two strings was being compared. How it was going to be compared, man? The main logic behind this one here is the first one, strcmp is the function name. Okay, within the bracket it was trying to, it was been with the two arguments, two parameters, that two string parameters that we need to be passed. Okay, string 1 is with ram and string 2 is with, sorry, ram and string 1 is with rom. Okay, let us see. The content of string 1 and string 2 was both was being compared, man. Both the strings was going to be compared. So if both the strings was going to be compared, then ROM and RAM, right? So ROM and RAM says strcmp of str1 comma str2, right? So but as per the syntax, what does it will return, man? An integer value. That means it was trying to giving an three integer values after comparison. What are those? -1, that means minus value, and another is 0 and another is 1. So totally three integer values that it can able to give. Out of these three integer values, it can able to give any one of it. Okay, when and what point of situations we can able to come to see these values? The first one here is 0. The 0, when it will return a 0 value, meant the string compare function, if both the strings are equal, both the strings are equal, then it will return a value which is nothing but what, meant 0, right? Otherwise, if it is negative, that means -1. String 1 is alphabetically above string 2. That means మరి దీన్ని ఎలా చేస్తుంది అని అంటే, ఇక్కడ కంపారిజన్ ఎలా చేసుకుంటుంది అంటే ASCII వాల్యూని బేస్ చేసుకొని కంపారిజన్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, లెట్ us say R is the value. Okay, ROM. What is the first character here? Also RAM, right? So RAM అనేది వచ్చిన తర్వాత మరి ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు? ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ R, the R is string 1 of 0. What is the value, man? R. The ASCII value it was going to be calculated. Then string 2 of 0, the ASCII value of the first character, that was going to be R only. So both the ASCII values are same. Then coming to the next string, that means next character, string 1 of 1, that is what, man? O. String 2 of 1, what is this one, man? A, right? Here first it has to compare. Okay, so what is the comparison, man? 0 and A, man, right? So let us check that. What is told, right? If string 1 is string 1 ante idi string 1, if the string 1 is containing a 0 and string 2 is containing A, right? Which alphabet or which is, what is the alpha, I mean, what is the ASCII value of O and what is the ASCII value of A? So both are capital O and capital A. Okay, whichever it was going to be, then whichever is greater, if string O is capital O is greater, then what does it will return, man? String 1 is alphabetically above the string 2. Okay, then it will return what, man? Negative. If string if string 1 is less than string 2, then what does it will return, man? Positive value. Okay, let us see now how it was going to be. So what is that O, and here is A, right? So first R was being compared, both ASCII values are same. Then O has to be a capital O and capital A has to be compared. What is ASCII value? Let us see now. What is ASCII value of capital the table? I'm able to see some kind of table here now. Otherwise, ASCII value table, right? So let us see. I'm just showing you the one kind of description here now. So you can able to see these are the ASCII values of these things, the special characters and all these things. See, what is that we need to learn? Capital A, capital A. What is ASCII value, man? 65, right? What is ASCII value? 65. And capital O is having an, what is ASCII value, man? 79. Okay, so the ASCII value of capital A or capital O is 79 and the ASCII value of capital A is 65, right? So out of these two, so how the comparison was going to be made, man? And capital O is 79, that means string 1 is greater than 65. 79 is greater than 65, man. It's true. So that means string 1 is alphabetically above string 2. String 2 కంటే కూడా greater than ఉంది కాబట్టి string 1 అనేది what is the value it will give, man? Negative. Is it clear, man? So that is how we can able to see that. But final thing here is, see, if both the strings are equal, it will return 0. Otherwise, both the strings are not equal, because whether it is a -1 or 1, both the strings are not equal only. Okay, that is what the concept we can able to come to see. See, the first, the one of the best example I can able to show it to you here is strcmp1r. Right. Stay. I just taken here two strings has been taken, man, string 1 and string 2. Okay, so out of string 1 and string 2, right? Then int x had been taken because as it is in some kind of integer value, whether it was going to be returning either 1, -1 or 1. Okay, 0, 1 or -1 it was trying to giving, man, right? I'm going to enter the first string. So first string value had been entered and the second string value is also been entered, and both the strings was going to be, the content of the both the strings was going to be compared. So what is the function that we have to use? Predefined function strcmp of. So string 1 comma string 2. Finally, some kind of integer value that was going to be given here now. Then if x double equals to 0, that means what does it says, when both the strings are equal. Else, if not, what does it will say, man? Both the strings are not equal. But so let us get that what is the x value after the comparison. After the comparison, what is the value it will give? X is equal to %d. So so what is that, the final value here is I don't know if it was going to giving that, right. The ASCII value of this I've been here, it has to be okay, fine. Then I'm going to trying to take that what is the x value also. Okay, so what is the ASCII value of x that we can after detection process, comparison process. Let us see the first string that I'm going to be taking it as RAM, right? Then the next value here is ROM, right? Then what does it says, man? Both the strings are not equal. Then x is equal to what is the value? -14, right, man? 65 minus 79, what is the value you'll get, man? That means because r value, first character r and r both are same. Okay, then what is the next one? A, capital A is in the first string and capital O in the second string. That has to be compared. So finally what will happen? So after taking the difference, man, so 65 minus 79, 65 is the ASCII value of capital A and 79 is the ASCII value of capital O. So after getting it minus 65 minus 79, what is the value you'll get? -14. That's what the x is equal to -14. That means it was trying to giving what, man? Negative value. Okay, so if it is trying to giving a negative value, then what does it says, man? String 1 is less than string 2 and the comparison of character gives what, man? Negative value. Okay, so that is how we can able to go for this process, right? Then so that is what. And the next one here is string compare function is there. is done. And one more